How to remove cards from Apple Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly remove your debit or credit card from your Apple Wallet. So first, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. So once you're in the Wallet app, tap on the card that you want to remove. So this will bring up the card's detail. In the top right corner, you will see a circle with three dots inside of it. Go ahead and tap on that. In here, you will see various options like your card number, card details, and notifications. Then select the card details to proceed. Now, scroll all the way down until you see the option that says Remove this card. Then tap on it. Then you will get a prompt to confirm your decision. Just tap Remove to finalize it. And just like that, your card is removed from your Apple Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.